Guys, so today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. I've been meaning to go in my closet, so the door is open, and I want to declutter. So I've come to the point, I'm gonna show you in a minute because we'll go in there and I'll show you how everything is. So I struggle to literally move the clothes. There's so much stuff in there, it's just completely stuffed to the max that I find a hard time getting dressed in the morning and just if I want to buy something else, like there's no way I can't fit it anymore in my closet. I'll show you how bad it is. So today I thought I am going to do what I did, I think almost 2 years at this point. I did the same thing and I have a video linked, I'll put it down below. I went and took everything out of my closet and then went through every single piece of clothing and then decided what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to declutter. I have been decluttering here and there, but today I just want to take everything out, dresses, shirts, and skirts, and then figure out which ones I want to keep, which ones don't fit me, because I know that a lot of these things probably don't even fit me, or I don't like the way they fit me, not that they don't fit me physically, just like I don't like the way they look on me anymore. So my taste in especially jeans has changed so much from maybe even like 2 years ago. So I just want to have a closet that I can just go in and whatever I find, I know I'm gonna love. And at this point, that's not the way it is. So anyway, let's go ahead and show you what everything looks like so you can see how bad the situation is. Someone's gonna be taking a nap while we do the cleaning, the decluttering. Okay, so here, all of this is, there's a shirt that's just like hanging in there. So here is the situation of my closet right now. So this is my section, this is Michael's section. So you can see how the hangers are literally super tight. So I feel like whenever I have to take something out, I just struggle to kind of like reach. Dresses, it's gonna be the same situation. So they are just like back to back and I can't really see a lot of things because everything is so cramped. So I am going to go over them. I feel like my hardest thing is gonna be dresses because I do love dresses. I have a lot of them, but a lot of them I don't use as much anymore. So I do want to go through all of this and then figure out what I want to keep. This is gonna be a hard day, but we have to do it. And then skirts as well. Just like looking at this, I know that a couple of this, just for whatever reason, I just don't wear them anymore. So I want to go over those. Then I've got like long sleeve shirts and then short sleeves. So yeah, let's get to work. So for shirts, I'm just going to get rid of two. I know that's not super successful, but I honestly don't have a lot of tops to begin with. So the rest, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them back into my closet. Looking at them, the rest, all of these tops I really like, so I do want to keep the rest of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this back into the closet and then bring out my skirts and pants. So that'll be interesting because I know I have a lot of those. I almost missed my long sleeves, so that was the second category. We'll come back to the others in a minute, but I do have a lot of long sleeves. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of these ones because I do use them a lot and I love them for fall, winter, and also whenever I'm going into the office. Not that I am right now, but still, I want to keep them because I really do like these ones, and these are very curated actually. This is a beautiful top that my mom gave me. This comes with like a cord, so it has like a skirt, beautiful. I've meant to do a photo shoot last year with this, but I didn't do it, and I just love this. I just love it. It reminds me so much of my mom. It's hers, of course, but there's also a particular picture she has with my dad at a Christmas party wearing this, and I just adore it. So anyway, let's go ahead and see how many things can I get rid of this pile. So this category wasn't as successful because I am keeping all of my tops. I really like them, and I went through every single one of them, and all of them I genuinely wear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them back into my closet. So I brought out all of my skirts, and I do know a couple of these that one of them does not fit me. I love it, but it just doesn't fit me. And then I've got another one that doesn't really work because it's very see-through, and I never wear it because it's super see-through. So I'll go over this real quick, and then we'll see how much I actually get rid of. Not even once since I bought this skirt have I ever worn it. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's absolutely adorable. I love it. Like looking at it, I'm like, oh my goodness, yeah, this is so cute. I really love it. It's like short and cute and flirty, but at the end, I never wear it because personally, I don't wear a lot of like short things anymore. So there's like extremely short, number one, and number two, it's just a style that doesn't really go with me. But I think it's so cute, and I like having at least one of these kind of like more edgy for me pieces in my closet, just for, you know, whatever, maybe one day I'll decide to use it. But that's ridiculous because I've never worn it, but I don't want to get rid of it. This is a problem that happens to me whenever I do declutters and I start trying on things. Also, here is the pile of clothing. I've got here a little bag that I'm going to be throwing in clothes for donation. So I've got a maybe, which is this skirt. That's what I'm gonna get rid of. So far I'm keeping all that. I'm about to get into my pants, but I still have some more skirts to go. So I've got a lot of work coming up. But so far I've gotten rid of 4 different skirts. It's good. That's not as bad as I thought it would be. There's a little bit of progress. I am decluttering all of this. So a few of the skirts that you saw earlier, and then I did add 2 pants, and I do have 2 of them that are a maybe. They are a little bit tighter for my liking, so I'm not entirely sure. I might just keep them until I get a new pair of just black slacks. This both are from Banana, and I was checking pricing right now, and they're like, I don't know, on sale I think they're like $60, and regular price they're like almost 90. So just because of that, I'm gonna just hang out to them until I at least replace the black ones, because I don't have any other black kind of like work pants except for these ones that are from H&M, and these ones are just kind of like for the winter. And then these are all my work pants. So whenever I used to work back at the office on my previous work, not on this one, I did always wear like nicer pants. So all of these are from work, or like work appropriate, I guess. I've got a couple more here that are also could take to work, but I really like them more for like normal everyday. Not that this I wouldn't wear, because I totally wear a suit just with tennis shoes and just for like nothing, like not to go to the office. So don't get me wrong on that. But yeah, these are all work kind of like work pants, and these are my regular pants. And those are maybes. That's a maybe skirt as well. I still don't know. And then these are all the skirts that I'm gonna keep. All the skirts that I kept. They do seem like a lot, but all of them fit me good, and all of these I really love. That's the only one that it's still like we don't know yet, and that's another one that I'm not sure. And this is how many I got rid of. So I'm gonna get rid of this one because I know I'm not gonna wear it, so it's time to just get rid of it. If I haven't worn it in all these years, I'm just not gonna do it. And then I've got 2 mini skirts that I never wear, and then I've got an H&M skirt that I used to love and wore to the office all the time. But the fabric got like really weird. It just seems odd to me. I just washed it normal, and it kind of like got all kind of like aged. So I don't particularly like it anymore. And then this one I love so much, but it doesn't have any anything underneath. So whenever I wear it, like you can literally see all the way through it. So that's a no-no. So I got rid of 5 skirts, and then 2 pants, and so far 2 shirts over there. So we're making progress, a little bit of progress. Here are all the jeans that I'm getting rid of. Total of 7. This 5, I just don't like the style anymore. They're like super skinny. These ones are Hollister, so I don't remember the last time that I wore Hollister jeans. It's been years at this point. So I'm gonna get rid of those for sure. And then same thing with this ones from American Eagle. They're like in perfect shape. They're actually brand new. I never wore them. Whenever I bought them, I don't know what I did, but I don't really like the super ultra skinny anymore, and this is what these are. So I'm gonna get rid of those. And then these ones are from Express. And I've got two that are going to be for switching to Madewell. So whenever you go to Madewell, you bring in some old jeans, you get $20 off. So if you didn't know that, definitely keep some of your old jeans so you can recycle them with them. So one of them is from American Eagle, and then one is from Forever 21. These are like very in bad shape, so they're perfect for that. And this 5 I'm gonna try to sell on with Play-Doh. So Play-Doh's is like a thrift store that you bring in whatever clothing you have, but that it's in good condition, and then they'll pay you whatever much. They basically pay you nothing. Really, it's kind of like just a donation, and they give you next to nothing money. Dresses out. This is probably going to be not as successful as all of this because I love dresses. That's like my one love of item, like of clothing. I just love it so much. All of my dresses I love, but I feel like at this point I do need to get rid of some. So let's get into the closet and pull them, all of them out here on my bed. See how it goes. That was literally cardio workout for me right now. I am so out of breath just bringing everything out. So I kind of like separated them a little bit, and then I just put them all here together. But here are kind of like my white dresses, or like whitish, and then here are like the by color, yellowish and whatever, and then blue and the rest. I've got a lot of these that are maxi dresses. I put them on the very back of the closet. Let me show you how the closet is looking right now without the dresses. So pulled all of them out. Here are the pants, which I'm considering putting on the back just because I don't use them as much right now. And then here are some suits that Michael decided to take my place, my space. And then on the back I've got some dresses from like wedding, whenever I got married, that I don't really use. So I'm still out of breath. I have to come up with a solution that this is not too cramped. But yeah, everything is looking a little bit better. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. And that's another problem for a different day. We're not gonna get into that right now, my beautiful Angela Roy. Oh, I love you. Yes, I'm talking to my purses. Oh, I haven't showed you. I've got a brand new coach that I got from Farfetch. It was so hard to find, and whenever I saw it in Farfetch, I'm like, okay, my hair is horrible right now. Whenever I saw it on Farfetch, I knew I had to get it. It's so beautiful. And I also got another one that I got from Bran here on YouTube. Well, it's from Coach, but Bran got it for me. If you don't follow him, I'll leave his information down below. But that's another two Coach purses videos that are gonna come up at some point. Oh my gosh, I am so out of breath, you guys. We've got so much work. Piles and piles of dresses. And honestly, I love them all. It's gonna be so hard. Just like I predicted, this didn't go so well. So all of this I'm keeping all the way to here, so all these dresses, and I'm just gonna get rid of 5 of them. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but that's really everything. I've had some that were like in the maybe, and I tried them on, and I'm like, oh, but I love this, so they're not going anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap all this mess up, put it back in the closet. This is a little disappointing, and not because, it's just disappointing on myself. But I don't want to feel obligated to get rid of things just because I have a lot of things, if that makes sense. Because I went on to everything that I was a maybe. I tried it on and I loved it. So whatever I didn't try is because I know that I really actually already like it. So I did have a couple of items that I haven't worn in a very long time. So I thought, okay, maybe I haven't worn them because I don't like them. So I tried them on and they fit perfectly good. So I think it was just something like I kind of forgot that I had it, which makes absolute no sense. But I think I'm going to wrap up this video. I'll show you in a minute once I put everything back in the closet. I'm kind of still looking at everything and I cannot believe I kept so many things. But I'm not gonna feel bad. I do want to go shopping, of course, get new things. I feel like at this point, whenever I get a new item of dress, specifically dress, I will just make a point of get rid of a dress just so everything can actually fit. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this back in the closet, and then I'll show you at the very end how the closet looks. I know it's not gonna be much difference, but I literally love every single one of these dresses, which kind of pains me because I wish I had a bigger closet, but I don't. So anyway, let's get to work. Here's the progress we made. I feel like it looks so much better and the hangers are not as tight. I did take also out my pants, like my nicer pants, like office pants, and I put them somewhere else. I'll show you in a minute. But here's all the dresses. I can now easily see everything. I got rid of like 5 of them. I'll show you in a minute. But taking off those pants from here definitely helped. Everything is kind of like more spaced out, and then on the back I've got the longer dresses, kind of like my maxi dresses. And I always like my system is like by color, so this way it's just like an easier, whenever I'm trying to find something, my eyes just go to whatever color I'm kind of like craving, so I know specifically where everything is, and it's just so much easier, and I can definitely see everything better. And then for my pants, I realized that there was a lot of lost space here, so I definitely just put everything a little bit more closer together. Michael's clothes were very spaced out, so I kind of like just put them a little bit closer, and they're still very comfortably to view everything, but they're not as spaced out. So that gave me space to put here my nicer pants, and here are all my top suits. So all of my jackets are here, and here are like my nightgowns, my jackets, and now the pants kind of like makes sense that they would go next to this. And here are just some random sweaters, and then another suit that probably should be here. But yeah, that's how everything is looking. And then back here, oh, I forgot to put those pants away, the banana ones. But here is everything that I'm getting rid of. Those are all of the dresses. So I also got a couple of t-shirts that I haven't worn in years. Like, I do not wear anything that has words on them anymore. Like, no, none of my clothes have any kind of like sentences on them. I don't even know why. I don't think I've ever used this shirt, or this one for the matter. So I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dresses. Whoops, 6 dresses. All of the skirts that we've already talked about, and then all the jeans. Oh, here's another shirt. And then all of those jeans, and then the 2 pants. So it doesn't look as much compared to everything that went back into my closet, but this was not going to be kind of like a empty closet. So as long as I'm able to view everything a little bit better, I think I'm happy. Guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was not going to be like that extreme declutter, because that was not my idea originally at all. I just wanted to make more space in my closet to be able to get new things and not have everything super cramped. I will definitely be doing that. Like, if I buy another dress, even if I like all of this, I am going to get rid of something just because the space is not there. And if I don't see it, I'm not gonna wear it. That's what was happening right now. Everything was so cramped that I completely forgot that I had some of the dresses that I tried on today. I'm like, oh, this is awesome, I really like it. How come I don't wear it? Because I never saw it. So with this little declutter, I feel like I can see everything better. Everything is more spaced out, and I know or have a better idea of what I have, and everything in there I really like. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please go ahead and hit the little red button down here, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!